Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Shira, and I'm making this video to introduce all of my students and their parents to my new Google site that's going to be a resource to use for the rest of the year in all of my English classes. When school starts, all of my students will be sent this link through email so they have access to it. But right now, going through my Google Classrooms, you can see that I've provided a link through that. Here's my site. Over here, I've provided additional links returning to my Google Classrooms. Up here, I've begun sorting out various pages that are going to be available for the students. Right here will be assignments. So, for example, this is an assignment for my college prep kids from the American Lit class. This is focusing on Google Scholar. This is going to be an assignment that they can finish in class. This page deals with summer reading. We're going to be assessing the summer reading this September. You can see this is turning out to be a fairly detailed project that the kids are going to be working on upon returning back to school. Here's my calendar. All of my homework assignments and things will be posted to this calendar. So it's set for summer right now, but we'll change it to when the school year starts. You can see I've already started mapping out the summer reading and how we're going to be tackling that this year. When I hand out materials to the kids, I'm also going to post it here in case they lose it and need to download a copy for themselves. This is where I'm going to load up all of my presentations. So if a child is out for whatever reason and we're giving notes, the students will be able to take down the notes themselves. They'll be able to access all of the presentations given in my class. One of the things that my students have difficulty with is creating a thesis. So right here, I've linked various resources dealing with how to write a thesis. This right here is a collection of YouTube videos that the students can access and view at their leisure. If they're working on a paper over the weekend, they don't have to wait until school starts. These are various teachers uploading advice for how to write a thesis. Finally, these resources right here, I have linked my class to ezbib.com for when they have to do a works cited page. Right here, they just go through there and type in the information and print out a works cited page. I've linked to our students account on EBSCO for finding documents and other scholarly texts. I can't give the user ID and password over this video, but it will be sent to the students through Google Classroom. Over here, I've created a symbolism search. One of the things that we're going to be targeting this year for my readers and writers is using symbolism more effectively. So I've created a Google custom search. The student simply enters in something that they need to find the symbolism behind. And they hit enter, and they have all of these resources right now exploring the symbolism of the word sword. Here is another Google custom site dealing with literary devices. So we're going to be focusing on archetypes this year. I entered that concept in, and here we have links to dozens of different definitions and explorations of what archetypes are. Finally, I always have students who have homework assignments and they leave their textbook at school. Right now, there's a custom search that they can engage in to find all of the texts that they need to be reading at home. So, for example, The Raven. If I typed it correctly. So here are all the results showing The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. So the kids can read at home. They don't have to worry about not having access to any of their materials. We're going to be working with this next year to check it out and see how it works out supporting the students in my class. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.